Alright, we're back. Got a big oil mess down here. Keeps me busy. Okay. Now, we're going to hone this here. And this out here. I think we only can do this with small stuff. Let's see. I don't think this will work on this. Nope. It's an inch and a half. It's not going to work in here either. Nope. So I use the old style mandrels, which are over there. These ones here. That'd be the right size. Fine and coarse. Yep. Okay, this is our coarse one. Put this all the way out. Okay. Way off the edge of the stone down here. Hard to keep it dead straight. Might be better to hold it than have it sitting down here, I'm not sure. It is what it is. Enough of that. Don't want to overdo it. It's definitely a rougher stone, so we don't want to make it too big of a change. Okay. Eight tenths to 1 thou, so that's pretty even. Maybe 1 thou left. I'll give it a couple more shots here. At least one more. Enough of that. Got other one. Instead of changing the stone, we change the mandrel. So that's how that works. Okay. 5/10, 6/10. That's 5 or 6 there, I can't read it very well. Whoa. Yeah, here. 5/10. Okay. Halfway close, which is good. That stone is definitely not very true. Really big on the end there. It's going to taper a little bit coming out. One-tenth. 3/10 because we're blown straight. 0 there. 0 there. 1 there. Sides over there, which is not good. Yay. Halfway around. It ain't. Overall, we're pretty close. 1/10 over, I think. 1/2 over, and it's up to 600, I think. So, yeah, whatever. It's not a very good way of honing this. These stones are too uneven. They need to be trued up to get a better finish. And I'm bouncing around so much it's hard to keep things even. When it digs in here at the end, that really screws everything all up. That's what made it kind of tapered. Oh well, it is what it is. It's better than the other ways. But still in need of improvement. Very awkward. Okay, now we gotta do the other one over here. This one over here, which we haven't even begun to get near yet. Okay, let's see how big we go. Not that big. Next one up. That'll be the guy. Relatively fine stone. Good for starting. Okay. Try this direction. Yep, that's how I used to do it. Ah. cut pretty good. Because the weight's more balanced, it's not all on one side. Okay, I got to get the bore gauge set on that. So, I'm full of oil right now. We'll be back. Okay, we'll do some more honing on this one. Try to get it rounded up a little bit. A little bit out of round condition I got to deal with. It's just I honed good. Top to bottom. Come on, what are you going full speed for? Fine finish, it's not cutting much. It's cutting though. Squaring up the hole. Okay, so let's see, we're at 7. Okay, take another 3 or 4 more tenths, I think. I'll go find some rollers. Sure, it's putting heat into it too. Okay. We're up around 18, 19. Supposed to be at 7. Case was out around the thousands, so we're about half a thou out right now. Okay, I gotta find me some roller and see what I got to work with. We'll be back.